Hey guys, here's Draconic with another Transformers OC challenge. This one's gonna be Transformers 1. Don't ask why the hell I sound like Soundwave. You can choose the gender and height of the OC. You can also choose the steel color. I'm gonna make mine trans, female to male, she, they, pansexual, yeah. Now I need you to roll 4-sided dice on Google. Here are the results. I'm giving y'all 2 free spins if you don't get what you want, dude. Come, stop.
Next, the optic color will be of your favorite character. If they don't have an optic color, choose like a visor or try to guess the optic color.
Next, the hair. I mean, I know Transformers don't have hair, but come on. So, if you're long haired IRL, give them short hair. If you're short haired IRL, give them long hair. If your hair is like somewhere in the middle, give them like a ponytail or something.
The OC can have like a hero like D16 did with Megatronus. So, yeah. Now, if they went up to the surface with the main group, they'd have to have a T-Cog-like form if they got minor, so, well, yeah, just, Now we're gonna decide the primary color. If you want it two-colored, it can be two-colored. If you like warm colors, make the primary color cool color. If you like cool color, make the primary color, warm colors. And once you choose that color, if you want a secondary color, try choosing one that fits well with the color you chose. The cool color, warm color. I don't really have any more ideas for this, so just edit your OC and, add what you want.